advanced optical transport network as the perfect replacement for synchronized digital hierarchy. So it provides high bandwidth and also is still able to cater for time-critical services.
Okay, are we ready?
Yes, we are.
Slide in. Can you introduce yourself, please?
Yeah. So my name is Titani Zabiela, Managing Director of Sepola 2 Airing Services. I'm also part of Secret D2 Strategic Advisory Group and also the representative for Secret D2 South Africa. And thank you all in talk for having me.
Let's get started. AI is the megatrend of our era. What's your view on its impact on electric power communication networks?
Thank you for that question. So AI applications are really reshaping the electric power grid. So before we focus on the application, it is also important to understand the node. So telecommunication is like the blood vessels, which is there to ensure that everything moves accordingly. So if we were to consider human anatomy, we will consider AI applications as the brains of the operations and your telecoms as the vessels. You need to make sure that everything flows accordingly to have a strong telecommunications network. So by doing so, you need to make sure that your core network is strong. You do that by implementing fine-grained car transport networks.
Some advanced power companies have chosen fine-grained OTN as the evolution technology for SDH and MPLS-TP. Have you learned about the technology of fine-grained OTN?
Yes. So as Secret D2, we have developed a new working group, D265, which focuses on transport networks. Both topics are covered, both MPLS and also fine-grained OTN. So just to expand further in one of these technologies, so the optical transport network is based on time division multiplexing, and so is the synchronized digital hierarchy. So most utilities around the globe are migrating from SDH since it's obsolete. So OTN in a form of fine-grained optical transport network is one of the solutions that is out there for the utilities to use.
I see. What do you think about the application of fine-grained OTN technology in the power industry and its future development?
Okay, thank you so much. You can consider advanced optical transport network as the perfect replacement for synchronized digital hierarchy. So it provides high bandwidth and also is still able to cater for time-critical services. So in power utilities, we've got what we call T services, which is your operational technology services. Most of those they are time-critical. It includes your teleprotection, your scaler, and your phasor measurement unit. Then on your IT side, which is more of your enterprise or your information technology, it is based on high bandwidth. So some of those services, they include CCTVs. fgOTN is able to cater both for IT and OT based applications and services.
Thank you for sharing. Is there anything you would like to add to our conversation?
Yes, so digitization, the means to an end. It is important to consider digitization, to consider cybersecurity by design, and for utilities to invest in telecommunications, because now telecommunications is no longer technical support, but it is the core of the current and the future grid.
Thank you. Last but not least, we have two fun little questions. The first one is, what impressed you the most about Huawei's booths today?
Yeah, it's the AI accelerate. So most of the booths are focused on AI and how it's used in different fields, including some nice robots which I saw for manufacturing. It's really cool. And most importantly, in the utility space on how AI can be used to improve the current and the future grid. Thank you.
And the second question is, if you had to capture the vibe of this year's Huawei Connect in one word, what would that word be?
I would say sustainability.
Thank you. Hope you have a nice tour around Huawei Connect 2025.
Thank you so much for having me, and stay tuned to All in Talk. Thank you.